Over what a gutter cleaning request looks like from the contractor's perspective on ResiBid. So start out, you'll get logged in as a contractor. This will take you to your main dashboard. From there, you'll go to new bids, which will show you all of the new jobs in your area. All the customers' information is going to stay X'd out as they stay anonymous during this process until they receive and review all their bids and then choose the winner. So you'll see the zip code and that's it. From there, you go to the full job details and you get to see a picture of the front of the customer's house as well as the back, so that way you can assess how long or how many gutters they have and how long it'll take you to get the job done. And then you go down here to more details. It'll tell you the type of protection that their gutters currently have and the last time the gutters were cleaned. So from there, if you decide to write a bid, you just click write bid down here in the bottom right corner. You'd enter in your price, how long it would take you, and any additional comments you would have that you want the customer to see. The cost to bid these jobs is just $1. So you click submit, you'd be redirected to Stripe where you put in your credit card information and get that paid. Once you pay, the job will be submitted to the customer where they'll review it. And then if you are chosen for the job, you'll get a notification email, and then you'll have all the customer's information shown right here. So their address, their email, their phone number, so that way you can reach out to give them an actual proposal and schedule the work.